Hey, family.
Top shit in the back. I was trying to get some of that back. I just feel like I have been getting comfortable.
Hey y'all, good morning. We're vlogging today. Watch your little head pop out. I knew it. I knew it was coming. Boy, love the camera. Ooh, not me playing this music, about to get a copyright strike.
Yeah, y'all look at it. Yeah. Yeah.
Dentist appointment, 8 a.m. I'm like, we do these things first thing in the morning. I don't book my appointments early in the morning anymore because with the baby, it's too much of trying to get ready early, but I like to do her appointments early because I don't like pulling her out of school or her missing too much school. So no cavities, so thank God for that. And she has a referral to an orthodontist because of slight crowding. Why does Chick-fil-A look like that? But we are here at Chick-fil-A now trying to grab breakfast because she missed breakfast this morning. And then we're going to go to school, and Anthony and I probably going to get back in bed.
Not without me.
Baby, you got school.
That's not fair.
She got school pictures today too. Well, she already took her school pictures. She didn't wear earrings, but she has basketball team pictures today. Individual pictures and team pictures.
Yeah, I still think stuff on my lips. My lips are
I've
dry.
given this girl so much chapstick and lip gloss so she could put on top, and she ain't never got it. She always asking for mine.
It's the breakfast on it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, the chicken.
Chick minis.
Yeah,
Okay. You just want them or you want the combo?
the combo.
What you drinking?
Some tea.
No, ma'am. Not first thing in the morning. You drinking orange juice.
All right, I'm gonna drink some orange juice.
Jamie is sending me vlogs right now, y'all. We vlog, and I said, baby, we vlogging this morning, so send me your content. He doing better than me. Y'all, like, I love a clean car, but what is my life? Like, what is that? What is that? Look at this. I need a bigger car ASAP. So God, do your thing. Do your thing. All right, y'all. The little one is dropped off. God bless you, baby. At school, my little baby is starting to have a fit because I know he wants to get out that seat. I know it, baby. You okay? You okay? Let me hold your hand. This is my baby, y'all. Hi, sugar bear. Hi. There we go. Let's hold hands. Hey y'all, so I finally got the baby down. I'm about to drink a juice. As you saw, we getting cleaning down. The dogs are on the porch getting some fresh air. I'm gonna clean their kennels. I'm watching the baby on the monitor. He's upstairs in the bed. Dishwasher going. Just trying to put stuff back in their place. This was the juice I made earlier this week, y'all. But I'm just trying to get the house straightened up a little bit. And if I have more time, I'm going to wash the dogs because I told you guys Stella and her issue. And then I'm going to try and clean my car. But that's being very hopeful. Oh Lord, my baby awake. Thought I was going outside. This boy been on these 5-minute sleeping sessions, y'all. Oh, hi, Duda. Hi. Hi, Bug.
Chicken sandwich. That's crazy. When did they get that?
Hi, Duda. Guess we're taking a little breaky break. We're watching Aaliyah's face. My girl just gave someone a free Starbucks sandwich. How sweet. You like Aaliyah too? I really just low-key waiting for Jamie to be like, "Babe, I left work early. I'm on the way home," but it's only 7 o'clock. We thought we were coming out here to see the puppies. They done escaped off the porch. And I don't have the wherewithal to get in this car and drive around the farm. I got half of mine. I got a half of mine to let them run amok out here because I'm tired. I looked in the ring. I saw Chino come off the porch. I never see Stella because she's so dang on sneaky. Chino's a man, and you know what that means. They just be doing. Just be doing. I know, baby. I know. We at home. I'm out here, been driving around looking for these dogs. Don't see them, and have a crying newborn. So, we just got to take a pause on the effort. I'm coming, honey. I know it. See, my boy want to be in the car. So, I'm about to have him chill right here. And I'm going to clean out the car real quick. You good, baby? You okay? There you go. Come on. Why are you looking at me? Let's go for it again. Come on. To the midline. Oh, you tired of playing with mama?
So we're here at basketball practice to work on fundamentals. What happened? Tell me. Tell me all the secrets. What'd you do today? What that mean? You was just talking. Tell me all the secrets. Don't stop now.
What's up, y'all? So we are currently out running some errands on Saturday. Boom Boom is over her, over her grandma's house. Anthony is here nursing, as you can tell with my hoodie being bunched up. We're at UPS right now. We ended up canceling the radio. We ended up canceling our cable because we don't even watch cable. We just got it because Duda, you okay? It's right here. For y'all who have kids, have y'all newborns? Do they make all this noise when they're nursing? But yeah, we ended up canceling Verizon for YouTube TV. We only had it to watch football. But so Bay is returning the Verizon boxes now at the UPS store. And then okay. Okay. Then he also, his watch had been having some issues, so he sent his watch into Garmin so they can fix it. And then I traded in my old Apple Watch, it was like a Series 3 or something like that, for credit for this new one that I got. And so I have to turn that into T-Mobile today, so we're gonna go and do that. I thought, ain't it a T-Mobile over here? Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna turn that in today. And then we have to go pick up the Tesla because a Toro reservation ended today as well. So we're just out here running a few errands on this beautiful Saturday. Well, y'all, now we're about to run into Kroger really quick because I need to get me some wheat thins and the little Cheeto cheese balls that I've been obsessed with. But I couldn't ship out my watch from T-Mobile because they said I needed to ship it out in the mail. And then, just in case you're not aware, I'll try to have this out before the 27th. There's an automatic upgrade happening at T-Mobile, and I just asked them about it in the store. And I said, is that something I can do with you all? Like, opt out of it. She said, it is happening. She said, but you have to call customer care in order to look at that stupid little ponytail on their head to keep them from upgrading your account automatically. If you got T-Mobile, hit them up. We got to get some new stockings for this year because my sweet baby Anthony is here. We're in JCPenney because we're in JCPenney. Oh yeah, right now because Jamie got me a. But you see the little Grinch. Jamie got me a necklace for my for Anthony's birth, my push gift, but the date got printed wrong. So we're gonna try and get it replaced. We got milk. Oh. Well, what the?
Did you get her outfit too? Mm-hmm. Oh man, don't put me on there talking.
I was trying to get our reaction. Oh, it's the Christmas tree. Bruh, they already bought all the Christmas tree cakes. Y'all, the Christmas tree cakes, but where's the regular ones? They done got them janks already, babe. No, they
all my janks up.
I only ate like 4. Y'all, 5.
They were 4. Who?
Us. No, where's the Christmas tree cakes? Oh my goodness. These are all the chocolate ones. I don't. Do they?
Yeah, they got
Oh,
this. They got
I didn't think they. I just want the Christmas tree cakes. Y'all ate all my janks last year. I got a TikTok proving it. Y'all, I done missed the whole damn train. I done missed the whole train.
I've got a clue who he is. Odd sort of place, this, isn't it? Do you live here? No. Really?